Are you searching for the best CNC spindle motor kit? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best CNC spindle motor kits in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. VEVOR Air-Cooled Spindle Motor, Air-Cooled Spindle Motor. These spindle motor motors adopt Germany-imported bearing, which can make it use for 3 times longer useful time than ordinary spindle motor. In an extremely high-speed working environment, the ordinary bearing cannot ensure this high speed for a long time. Our Germany-imported bearing can make spindle motor 3 times longer useful time than ordinary spindle motor. Technical parameters: advanced balance technology, superior performance bearings, trustworthy heat dissipation. Advanced balance technology, dynamic balance technology can effectively reduce the noise in the process of use. The efficiency and service life of the CNC router spindle can be significantly improved. The nut using manganese steel is hardened with high precision, not easy to break the knife. Superior performance bearings. The high-speed core creates a more efficient and upgraded steel bearing, which significantly improves the hardness and rust resistance. The imported shaft has a high degree of concentricity, high precision, and more durable. Trustworthy heat dissipation. Scientifically designed factory-made fan owns low noise and better heat dissipation effect. It's beneficial to the smooth and stable operation of the machine. Wide application. The CNC Spindle Motor Kit is mainly used for engraving machine or used with frequency converter. It uses air circulation to cool the heat generated by the spindle at high speed and has a good heat dissipation effect.